Welcome to Channel 10 News. Here's today's weather report. The high for today is 84 and the low is 74. It's partly cloudy in the morning and into the afternoon. There's clear skies for tonight. There's 13 miles per hour winds coming from the southeast, and there's no chance for rain tonight.
For the 3-day forecast, today's high is 84 with a low of 24. There's no chance of rain and it's partly cloudy. For tomorrow, the high will be 84 and have a low of 76. There's a 10% chance of rain and it will be mostly sunny throughout the day. Saturday's high is 82 with a low of 69. We have a 50% chance of rain and it will be mostly cloudy throughout the day.
For the 10-day forecast, today we have a high of 84, a low of 74, and it's partially cloudy. Friday will be a high of 84, low of 76, and clear. Saturday, high of 87, low of 72, and mostly clear. Sunday, high of 82, low of 69, and partially cloudy. Monday, 80 for the high, and the low is 68, partially cloudy. Tuesday, 82 for the high, and 68 for the low, mostly sunny. Wednesday, 78 for the high, 69 for the low, and partially cloudy. Thursday, 81 for the high, and 69 for the low, partially cloudy. Friday, 80 for the high, 69 for the low, and rain. And finally, Saturday, 78 for the high, 66 for the low, and sunny.
Today we have some high pressures all over with some low pressures moving in from the southwest over by Denver. Up in the northwest by Olympia, there's low pressures with some high pressures moving in up from the north.
In Kansas City, we have a high of 61 today with mostly clear weather. In Houston, we have a high of 73 with overcast weather. In New York City, we have a high of 66 with partially cloudy weather. In San Francisco, we have a high of 63 with clear weather. And in Chicago, we have a high of 66 with overcast weather. For our lows today, in Kansas City, we have a low of 37. In Houston, we have a low of 43. New York City, we have a low of 59. In San Francisco, we have a low of 50. And in Chicago, we have a low of 37. Breaking news. A developing hurricane is moving across the Pacific Ocean towards Florida. We strongly advise people to evacuate their homes immediately or take shelter. Here's the radar of the incoming hurricane. The hurricane is moving up the Florida peninsula in the eye of the storm just past West Point Beach. It is heading towards St. Augustine. The worst part of the hurricane seems to be barely hitting the coast, so hopefully most of us will be safe. There seems to be light rain and a bit of thunderstorming on the side of the Gulf Coast. Here's a satellite photo of the incoming hurricane. We advise people to either leave the state or to board up their houses and head towards a local shelter. We expect the worst of the storm to be right along the coast with 80 miles per hour wind and heavy rain.
Everyone should go inside immediately because heavy rains are very possible. It is not safe to be walking around outside or playing in the rain. Floodwaters are rising, so it's going to be difficult to travel in your car, so you want to get off the streets immediately. High winds are also very possible. This has been your Channel 10 local news and weather. We'll be back at 6 with more updates.